Hey, we're going to take a look at the Ryobi FVD51K. It's a kit. It's a 3-in-1 interchangeable USB lithium multi-head screwdriver kit. Comes with everything that you see here. Got a nice little packaging, and I really like this because I have a lot of USB lithium tools, and they don't come in their own little case, so I've got them scattered all over the place in piles, trying to keep everything together. So this is nice and neat. So you get your screw gun, you get your multi-heads, you get your right angle head, get your offset head, and you have a set of bits, 4-volt, 2-amp-hour battery. It's got a 1/4-inch hex collet. RPM is 200. It comes with the little manual that you need. Make sure you look through this and follow all the instructions and all the warnings and cautions. So let's take it for a test run and see what we have. We have our little gun, really easy to use. There's your power on and off, forward and reverse. For the battery, you take the cap off on the bottom. Battery go in one way, so take that. You can slide that around till you get the little flat edge in. Put that in till it snaps. Make sure you get your cap on all the way. Got our green light. We got our little light at the front here. Little rubber seal cap on the top here. If you want to change it to one of your different heads, you're going to take that off. Your heads have 2 gray locking handles right here. Put that on. Snap that in place and you're ready to go. Nice thing with this is pull back on these tabs. Pull the head off. Right angle head can go on different angles. Same goes for your offset. Allow you to get into tight spaces. So we've got our bit. We're going to go ahead and drive a screw. So we pop that in. Got plenty of power. Drives that all the way through. Put that in reverse. Pull that out. Now we're going to try something different. We're going to actually try and drive a bolt through this. So let's see what happens. This doesn't come with it, but it will work with it. Pop that in. Got my little socket on there. So even with that, we still got plenty of power. One of the other things that I like to do to test it out is I've got a little drill bit here. So we're going to pop that drill bit in. You're going to see if we can actually drill through. Not the fastest, but if you're going through thin wood, or for example, if you're actually want to hang something on the wall in the house and it's sheetrock, this would be perfect. For different heads, we're going to try the offset head. So we're going to take off our little rubber seal, pop our offset on, put our bit in. And as you can see, give you an offset here so you can actually drive this screw in. You can see that. Gives you the offset right there so you can actually get it through. Set up our right angle. Got our screw. We got it set. And it's in a tight space so you can see where you can get your extra room. Put your screw in. So there you go. The Ryobi FVD51K. This is a great kit. It has the torque and power that you need to do your everyday jobs around the house. I love that you have the offset and the right angle to actually get into tight spaces. Comes with everything that you need to start out. So this is a great driver for home, USB recharging cable. And don't forget the most important thing. You run into a bind and you have these 4-volt, 2-amp-hour, or 3-amp-hour batteries. You can use these to charge your mobile devices. So you're ready to go? Let's get driving.